In the heart of Islamic tradition, three new codes emerge, guiding the faithful towards a modern understanding of age-old teachings. First, we navigate the digital realm, embracing technology while safeguarding Islamic values. This code redefines our approach to social media, communication, and learning. Next, environmental stewardship takes center stage. Islam's deep-rooted connection with nature is revitalized, urging us to protect the earth as a form of worship. Financial ethics transform under the third code. It highlights sustainable investing and charitable giving, ensuring wealth circulates in ways that benefit society and uphold Islamic principles. Fin. Together, these codes offer a beacon for the global Muslim community. They merge traditional beliefs with contemporary challenges, paving a path forward. As we adopt these codes, we open doors to dialogue and understanding, fostering unity within diversity. Our faith becomes a living testament to adaptability and compassion. Embracing these new codes, the Islamic community stands at the forefront of change, exemplifying how faith can inspire solutions in a rapidly evolving world.